Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset camera in Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. First you need find and open the camera app on your phone. Then find the three lines on the top right and click on it. Then find the settings and select it. Here scroll down and find the restore default setting. Select it and then click on the OK. Wait and then click on the back arrow. Here we can see welcome to camera. Select allow, then OK. And this all will reset the camera app on Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s, and this all for today. Goodbye.